Good morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Wednesday, October 19th, 2022.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be partly cloudy with a high of 67 degrees and a low of 50 degrees. It's getting colder.
Yeah. Get ready to decorate a pumpkin like your favorite book character. Next week, we will have a pumpkin decorating contest. Forms should come out soon. More information coming soon.
Today's luncheons are popcorn chicken and a pizza box.
Yum. Weird but true. The first ice skating rink was made of fat and salt. The rink was closed in less than a year.
Good
thing.
Who would skate on that?
Today in history, in 1985, the first Blockbuster video store was opened in Dallas, Texas.
Man, I hope they have some Pokemon games. So cute I can't. Yes, believe it or not, there is such a thing as an animal being returned to the shelter for being too nice. Evidently, the man who adopted Helena, the dog, who was deemed too sweet, was looking for a guard dog. And this sweetie pie just wasn't up for the menacing task.
Luckily, though, Helena only had to spend 2 days in the shelter before being adopted by her new forever family, one who was able to accept her the bona fide love bug she is.
Yay. Bet you didn't know, sharks come in various shapes and sizes. There are about 400 different types of sharks, each with a different temperament.
Wow.
Yeah, that's cool.
Now for the joke of the day. Hey, Kessler, what's a skeleton's favorite instrument?
I don't know what.
The sawbone.
Ha 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 ha. That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success.
I choose excellence.
I'm Kessler.
And I'm Sophia.
That's Larry, and that's Fiona.
Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, ba, dum, bum, 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 bum.